Good morning, traders. This is E with eminywizard.com and marketwizards.com, just with a market update. Haven't done one in a while. Showing some of the automatic software that I'm now using in beta testing. Very simple way to keep track of some of the ideas that you might have. These are programmable in terms of the levels I can put in, depending on the studies I'm looking to do. Today I threw a horizontal line, as I normally do, under yesterday's low. Use that as a reference point. I want to be aware if we're above it or below it. There's a 5-minute chart right now. And we'd cautioned our traders to be very careful thinking too much of a plunge, and for that matter, for a real face ripper as well. We think that there's a better odds just for consolidation type day for now. So we thought we could make new lows, but we're kind of wary about getting underneath them and staying under them. So we had advised traders to be out by that 48.5 area. We thought that was a good location. It was our WT2 target. So we suggested if you wanted to buy, figure that the 45 area is probably next support, and use that idea for a few point stop if you want to try the long side. And that would be going against the grain, but we have had a pretty good week, and we think the weeklies need to be conservative and protect their profits. So that's why we're a little bit skeptical about a big plunge so far today. And here's another chart, another example of a chart, and this one is programmed for the regular trading hours. So it should adjust and it should reflect as we make new highs or new lows. We've actually suggested to our traders to make sure they're paid by 72 at this point. And big target obviously is going to be the 75 to 78 zone that the longs would like to attain and hold on to. But at the present time, we thought that if we got above that 70 to 72, probably longs have done well in one pass. But right now, the pattern so far has been a double that's held, and then this higher high, and then back into that angel 54.5 support, perfect support. So that's going to be kept as our support for now until that breaks. And again, we can set this up for any number of different studies. I really like what my programmer has done for me in terms of following directions and giving me the types of tools I need to trade and to help others to get ideas. And here's an example of a 30-minute chart. And you can see how we have been overdone. There's a perfect umbrella trade where we come underneath the rain line, and then we cannot attain it again and come back under the blue line and stay under the blue line. So this will be a significant test, obviously, coming into this 72 to 75 range. Basis this chart. Overnight high intact for now. Obviously, that pivot point also resistance for today. And anybody long side coming into the end of the morning trade with what I think is a pretty good size poke, getting back up into the 70s, we said we thought it'd be hard to break the 40s today. We thought first things first, you had to see a little bit of a washout, and then perhaps the odds would favor the longs to get back into the shorts pocket, who were much too aggressive today after a number of down days. So there's a relief rally right now. I'm profit taking. The day's not over. And again, we're suggesting make sure you're paid by this 72 to 75 for sure. Don't forget, that's the year open is 75.25. So we want to pay attention to that as a natural number as well. Hope this update is helpful, and see you on the next one.